Once upon a time, machines worked hard, but alone.
I was down for 15 days last month. Nobody noticed until it was too late.
We were blind. No alerts, no updates, total silence.
Then came SLTL Dynamics, and suddenly we were all connected.
Hey Cutting, I see your performance stats.
Yup, and I get alerts before something goes wrong.
No more downtime. I'm always ready.
I even got maintenance scheduled for next week.
Operators now get alerts before breakdowns. No more guesswork, no more chaos. Production heads, they see everything, real time, live, from their desk or their phone.
Shift A is 92% efficient. Machine 3 needs a tool change tomorrow.
And the boss doesn't have to ask anyone for reports, just logs in, sees graphs, makes big moves.
Historical trend says we should add another welding line and increase shift of laser cutting from 9 to 18 hours. Let's do it.
We've cut downtime by 80%.
Output's up by 30% since we went SLTL Dynamics.
We're not just machines. We're a smart team now.
With SLTL Dynamic, machines aren't just working, they're thinking, learning, and growing with you. Welcome to the future. Welcome to SLTL Dynamics, where machines talk, factories think, and your business grows smarter, faster, better.
IoT connected, real-time alerts, zero downtime, maximum growth. Try SLTL Dynamics today. Let your machines do the talking.